Sabi mo pangalan.
Ditso. Morning! We're happy. Nakabisit kami sa kapatid ko. And good to hear naman na may chance siya makalakad. But it takes time. At ito yung paborito namin pandesal. Once
Outside.
nakachop kami dyan, bibili kami ng pandesal yan.
Inside.
Then, daanan namin yung Mazda namin kasi pinagawa namin doon. We expect that today is finished but it's not. Tomorrow pa daw. Rest day. And salamat sa out sa mga
Hindi pa ako pinagbigyan
supporter namin dyan. Ngayon na lang. Tomorrow back to work. And have a blessed day for today. And in fairness,
Diretso.
This one, manamit ang pandesal.